Testing instruments. Chinese famous brand. Guide to portable hardness tester, time5310. Based on Lieb dynamic rebound principle, portable hardness tester, time5310, is developed with advanced microelectronic technology and can be used to test a wide range of metallic materials. It is light, accurate, easy to test, convenient to carry, and present digitally. Main components. Now, let's get to know its components. This is the screen, keyboard, charging indicator. On its back is built-in printer, resetting button, buzzing outlet. On the right side is battery charging socket, USB socket, probe socket. This is the impact device D, and the above is the release button. We can connect the probe with the main unit. Brief introduction to keyboard. Backlight key to turn on and off the backlight. This key to enter the main menu. This key to calculate the average value before the presetting times. This key to store the present values. Delete key to delete the tested value. Feed key for manual paper feeding. This key to print the tested value. This is on and off key. This key to enter the secondary menu. Brief introduction to impact devices. Universal Impact Device D, for the majority of your hardness testing requirements. DC, used in very confined spaces. For example, in holes, cylinders, or for internal measurements or assembled machines. DL, for measurements in extremely confined spaces or at the base of grooves. D+15, for measurements in grooves or recessed surface. C, surface hardened components, coatings, thin-walled or impact-sensitive components, small measuring indentation. G, solid components, for example, heavy castings and forgings. Testing operation. Impact 5 times for calibration, if it is long since last testing. Switch on. Then let's test away. First, let's set the menu. We choose vertical for the testing direction. 3 testing results to calculate the average value, and steel for testing materials. We can also select other hardness scales and set the value limitation. Testing. Hold the impact device vertically on the testing block. Push the device towards the block to lock the impact body. Click on Release button to release it. Change the testing points for 2 more times to obtain an average shown on the screen. We can also print the testing result. Switch off. Push the power button to turn off the device. Other functions. Also, data can be exported by USB connector to a Microsoft Word or Excel for review and further measurement analysis. Useful tips for testing. The surface of the testing sample should be leveled, flat and smooth, clear and dry. The thickness and hardness of the testing sample should be within the requirements stipulated in the instruction. Make sure there is no strong magnetic field. Use the special supporting ring, testing stand, and other accessories so that the accurate testing results can be obtained. Make sure that you change the impact device only when the power's off, or the probe can't be recognized automatically, and this may cause some damages to the device. Malfunction analysis. If the device fails to power on, there may be a shortage of the battery. The battery needs to be charged. If there is an alarm about the mismatch of the probe, and also for the sake of accurate testing result and the device, we advise you to use Time Probe. Should you have more questions that you can't solve on your own, please don't hesitate to contact our repair staff in your local place. Time 5310, Portable Hardness Tester is designed to test the hardness of large heavy metal parts, mainly in machinery, metallurgy, petrochemical, automotive, aerospace, and other industries.